It's 3:45 a.m. I'm running on 4 hours of sleep, but it's time to go to Florida, so let's go. We just made it to the Best Western Hotel here on Cocoa Beach. We have a full day ahead of us as it is only about 11:30 a.m. So we'll probably hit up Golf N Gator. There's a boat show happening. There's a rocket launch later at the Kennedy Space Center, so we should be able to see that. And we'll see what else we get up to today. Looking forward to cruise day tomorrow. Stick around, stay tuned, and see what we get up to. We just wrapped up lunch at Fish Camp Grill here on Cocoa Beach, and then we also went to Golf N Gator. That was super fun. Now we're back in the hotel room to chill for a little bit before the ships leave from Port Canaveral. We'll be able to see them just right down there a little bit, about 3 miles, so you can see the ships pretty good from here, from the Best Western here. And also the rocket launch about 6 p.m. here. You'll be able to see that from Cocoa Beach here. And also there's a boat show going on, so there might be some fancy boats driving by here. Also, if you're looking for a hotel that's close to Port Canaveral, this hotel, Best Western on Cocoa Beach, it's about a 10-minute drive to the port, so it's very close. You have that putt, a couple good restaurants, the Cocoa Beach Pier right back there, and you can see the cruise ships sail out of Port Canaveral. And also we have good views here from this hotel, so I'd highly recommend you check out this hotel. Going to the beach to dip our toes in the water and watch the 5 cruise ships sail out of the Port Canaveral. Oh yeah, so refreshing. Feels so good. Got the Carnival glory way out there now. There it is, straight ahead. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Starting all the way back at 3:30 a.m. Flew all the way down to Orlando. Went to Fish Camp Bar and Grill for lunch. Then played putt-putt at Golf N Gator. Highly recommend. And then after that, we watched the ship sail away from Port Canaveral. And then we watched the rocket launch, which was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, most likely. So that was very cool to see. And then we went back to Fish Camp Bar and Grill for some drinks and a band. And we're back here to wrap up the night watching the NBA playoffs and just taking it easy to rest up for tomorrow, which is cruise day. So I'll see you guys in the next one, which will be embarkation day, boarding the Carnival Vista on an 8-day cruise to Aruba, Curacao, and Celebration Key. So I'll see you guys then. Thank you guys for watching. Please like the video if you like what you see. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. I know I already closed out the vlog, but I did get some clips of the ship sailing in for a turnaround day in Port Canaveral on May 16th, which was my embarkation day. So here's some clips of the Carnival Vista Disney Treasure and then the Carnival Mardi Gras all sailing into Port Canaveral for a turnaround day.